Hi, Callie. How you doing? Thanks so much for getting your three roughs in. Okay, let's take a look at the three, and I just want to talk a little bit about the three. And right now, I just want you to really think about what I'm saying. Okay. Now, in branding, this is presumably your first attempt at branding yourself as a designer. So as you approach graduation, you want to brand yourself, and you want to do such in such a way that you can use this branding even in your final portfolio, in your resume. Portfolio, your cover letters, etc. So it should be a very versatile logo, right? Now, and I look at the three and I say, which of these three are the most versatile? And I don't think any of them are. I think that, okay, I think these ones, well, let's go start from the top. This has got a large pattern, okay, and this pattern, I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. It's the dreaded squirrel outside the window, and my dog sees it, so sorry about that. Anyway, so I was talking about as branding this pattern. It's gorgeous, yes, absolutely. But my only concern is that is this the way you want to brand yourself? Do you want to brand yourself as a pattern, or do you want to brand yourself as Kelly Sloat? And I say it makes sense as a designer to brand yourself with your name, since you are going to be introducing yourself to the hiring market in design, okay? So you would want to say, hi, I'm Kelly Sloat, not hi, I'm Kelly Sloat, and here's my pattern. I hope that makes sense. So the way that we look at this and we say, okay, which one of those really does the most objective and efficient and straightforward job of introducing me, Kelly Sloat? And I say, I don't think it's this one, because I think the whole logo was being overpowered by this pattern here, okay? Is it this one? I don't think so. Again, I think this is a mistake. Stacking type like this is actually not recommended typographically. It's something that you want to stay away from. Some typographers say it's okay to stack lowercase letters. I say don't stack them at all, because letters are meant to be looked at with letters on the other side, on either side of them. That's how they're designed. So let's not do that. Okay, let's not stack those up. Let's get rid of those and look at this. Now, is it better? It's better, yes. Why? Because the relationship is not so drastic. This isn't overtaking thing. It's more playing evenly with your name. Okay. And then this one, let's get rid of that and just look at this. Kelly Sloat Designs, and then with that. And I say your answer is the commonality in the three. I don't think you need any kind of a pattern or any kind of mark. I think this is your logo right here, Kelly. Right here. And you know what? I'm going to take that a step further, and I'm going to say just use black. Just set your name in black and maybe create a monogram for yourself, because it's going to be the most objective. It's going to be, let me show you what happens when you use a stroke. It actually changes the letter shapes. As you can see right here, see how that S is starting to touch, the stroke of the S is starting to touch this downward stroke. That's a problem. And it almost having it here too, and that area right there is closing down. So just, it's just not a good practice to stroke type or to stack type. So there's your little typography lesson in with your critique. So anyway, I think this is your answer right here. I really do. I would turn that black and go with that. It's going to be the most objective. I know it seems boring, Kelly. I know it does right now, but you're just introducing yourself. You're going to start some branding. Is just get this down for now, something like this, and maybe create a monogram and start working on your branding. Now, if you want to change it, I that's fine. I think you should want to change it eventually. Very few designers keep their student design logo. So, eventually you're going to change it. But until then, you want to learn branding and get a solid branding piece down for your portfolio. So nobody's going to be looking at the quality of the logo. We're going to be looking at the consistency of the branding. Okay. So therefore I say, let's go ahead and forget all these embellishments and go with something that very, very straightforward, objectively and efficiently introduces you. The last thing I would say is I would not use the word designs. I would say Kelly Sloat Design or Kelly Sloat Graphic Designer. Okay, designs it's a plural, and it doesn't apply. It would be Kelly Sloat Design or Kelly Sloat Graphic Design. Okay, that's my recommendation. Now, look, you're free to go any way you want. If you know, it's your branding. You're branding yourself. You're free to do it. Those are just my recommendations. There's no reason not to give you full credit on this assignment. I mean, you've done what you were asked to do. So, good job there. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get with me. All right. Thank you.